ba to, nag-viral yung Encantadia. So how was it? Kumusta na ba? May update na ba?
Kunya, wala pa eh. Kaya nga parang nasa-stress ako dahil I have a lot of fans putting the hashtag Welcome to Encantadia, pero ayoko sila pangunahan dahil ang pinaka-update sa meron ako is
May audition, di ba?
I audition, oo. Like every actor that want to be part of that, I audition. At from then, wala pa akong nakuha balita. So, I don't want to expect, pero siyempre take this cross. Para sa akin, para sa akin.
If ever, are you excited to play role Alfred Vargas or Ding Dong Dantes?
I audition for both roles.
So, anong feeling mo?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Yung
Ayoko
pressure, if ever you get in, ano yung feeling mo ba parang ready ka na sa pressure na may compare dun sa, kasi it's a very successful series.
I know, that's the thing. Kung makasali man ako doon, it's a huge responsibility. Well, kunyari, mapasok ko na doon, it's gonna be challenging for me, at the same time exciting dahil if it happens, I'll make sure, as what I do with every character, I make sure it will stand out, I make sure it will be different, and not be compared to what we saw before. So, sakali makakasama ako dyan, siguro if sabihin ko sa mga fans ko to see a different side of kung ano man character na sa akin. Kung makasama man ako.
And more, even before